Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Squad Busters game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Squad Busters game on your device, and once you open it up, complete the basic tutorial levels at the beginning. After completing these levels, you will gain access into your homepage. Now from this page, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then tap on the Connect ID button in order to log in. Now click on the login button to log in with your Supercell ID. Tap on continue and you will be asked to enter your email address. After entering your email address, tap on the login button and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email. So just check your inbox and you will find this verification code. Click on the submit button after typing in the verification code and now confirm with your account, and you will be logged into your existing account on the Squad Busters game right away. And now all of your progress will be returned back into your current game and you will be able to continue playing forward from your last progress. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Squad Busters game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.